Married at 15 and traveling the world at 70.
Wine is always good. But a really good chicken sandwich, cold, is even better. The flavors in here are with tomato, plain, no salt, no pepper. Just plain avocado with a tomato pesto sauce, and two really nicely thin sliced tomato, like I showed in the. It's just
It's amazing. One of your signature sandwiches. You
And
always
that
make
cheese.
the best sandwiches.
Absolutely. And that goat's cheese. All these flavors work together 100%. Ciao.
The simplicity to a sandwich, that's the key. You've got to start with good ingredients like an avocado, organic chicken, and then with a tomato. That's just, they have to be organic tomatoes. And then a great goat's cheese it's just, and you layer it. First the avocado, then the tomato, and then the cheese. And then you slap on, or just put on layers of great chicken, organic chicken. Finish it off with tomatoes on top. And then also the bread is sourdough bread, and it's so good. The final touch is just perfection. It's just, you will love it. I know it. And here we are having a little martini at the end of the day, and with a sandwich like this, it would be very good. Although wine is always good. You can't make that up. It's just so fantastic. Wine is always good. But we also went and picked up at the market. We always go to the Rock, and we pick up all our ingredients, and you can find anything there. It's just absolutely fantastic. Ciao.